balloon man, I am a balloon man. I love balloons. I am here to sell you some balloons. I know children like balloons. See, I have so many colorful balloons. I come on market days. I like sunny days because on sunny days children come to me to buy these balloons. Yes, I hold balloons, a bunch of balloons with my left hand. When a child comes to me to buy the balloon, I take it out, I tug it out by its string with my right hand and hand over the balloon to that child. Okay? Yes, I love the balloons. Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher, Himani Joshi. Beta, I have bought something for you all because you all are learning very well and you all are following the directions of teachers, okay? I was just passing by and saw a balloon man, so I bought a bunch of balloons for you all. You all are so lovely like these balloons, okay? See, my favorite color is pink. Tell me your favorite color, okay? So, you know our today's topic is also related to these balloons, okay? The one who sells the balloons, that is the balloon man. So our today's poem is the balloon man. Yes, let us recite the poem and understand what the balloon man does in the market. Does a balloon man visits your market? What does the balloon man brings with him? Let us recite the poem and learn. The title of the poem is The Balloon Man. We will recite together. He always comes on market days, market days, market days, and whole balloons are lovely bunch, lovely bunch, lovely bunch. In the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. Now we all will recite together. He always comes on market days, market days, market days, and whole balloons are lovely bunch, lovely bunch, lovely bunch. In the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green, blue and green, blue and green. When it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away, far away, far away. Now we all will read together. We all will recite together. They are red and purple, blue and green, blue and green. They are red and purple, blue and green, blue and green, blue and green. When it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away, far away, far away. Now, third stanza. Some are big and some are small, some are small, some are small, all tied together with a string, with a string, with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug it up like anything. Now we all will recite together. Some are big and some are small, some are small, some are small, all tied together with a string, with a string. If there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he'll let them go, let them go, let them go. We shall see them sailing high, sailing high, sailing high. Stand and watch them from below, from below. From below they would look pretty in the sky, in the sky. Now we all will recite together. Someday perhaps he will let them go, let them go, let them go. We shall see them sailing high, sailing high, sailing high. Stand and watch them from below, from below, from below. They would look pretty in the sky, in the sky, in the sky. Very good. So this was a really interesting poem, isn't it? Yes, it is an interesting poem. Okay, so let us learn what is written in the poem. He always comes on market days. What do you mean by market days? Yes, in Haldwani the market days are from Sunday to Friday. Okay. So market days means जब मार्केट लगती है किसी भी एरिया में. ओके. सो द बलून मैन कम्स ऑन मार्केट डेज. ही इज यूज फॉर, यस, द बलून मैन. बलून मैन के लिए हम यहाँ पे ही यूज कर रहे हैं. फॉर होम वी यूज ही फॉर अ मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. ओके. सो बलून मैन इज अ मेल. सो ही ऑलवेज कम्स ऑन मार्केट डेज एंड होल्ड बलून्स अ लवली बंच. और क्या करते हैं? होल्ड. होल्ड मीन्स पकड़ना. ओके. अ लवली बंच. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बंच? आपके लिए एक बंच ऑफ बलून लाई थी, तो बंच मीन्स इन हिंदी वी से गुच्छा. ओके. सो बंच मीन्स अ नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स दैट टाइड टुगेदर. कोई भी मात्रा, किसी भी बलून्स की मात्रा जो हम एक साथ रखे हों. ठीक है. अ लवली बंच. लवली मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल. ओके. A beautiful bunch of which? Yes, of balloons. Okay. तो क्या लाता है बलून मैन? वो अपने हाथ पर होल्ड. होल्ड मीन्स पकड़ता है. क्या पकड़ता है? A lovely bunch. Bunch means yes, बलून्स. बहुत सारे बलून्स का एक बंच बनता है. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ बलून्स. एंड इन द मार्केट स्क्वायर ही स्टेज. और वह कहाँ पर दिखता है? कहाँ पर रहता है? स्टेज मीन्स कहाँ पर रहता है. ओके. मार्केट स्क्वायर. मार्केट स्क्वायर मीन्स किसी भी लोकेलिटी का एक, किसी जैसे लाइक इन हल्द्वानी ऑल्सो देयर इज अ मार्केट प्लेस होता है जहाँ पर की मार्केट लगती है. ओके. वी कैन से चौराहा ऑल्सो. ओके. चौराहा भी कहते हैं. कभी कभी चौराहे पर भी खड़े रहते हैं बलून मैन. ठीक है. एंड नेवर सीम्स टू थिंक ऑफ लंच. वो कभी भी नहीं सोचता कि उसे लंच भी करना है. ऑल डे लॉन्ग ही स्टेज इन at a same place. Okay. They are red and purple, blue and green. कैसे होते हैं बलून्स? कलरफुल. समटाइम्स रेड, पर्पल, ब्लू एंड ग्रीन, ऑफ ऑल कलर्स. ओके. एंड व्हेन इट इज अ सनी डे. सनी डे मीन्स व्हेन द स्काई इज क्लियर. ओके. सनी डे मीन्स जब स्काई क्लियर होता है. क्या होता है? स्काई क्लियर होता है, मौसम साफ होता है. ओके. देन ही लाइक्स, आई टोल्ड यू ना, ही लाइक्स सनी डे. See, a balloon man also came here in our video and he told us that he likes sunny days. Why? Because on sunny days children come to him to buy the balloons. Okay. The carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. अब मार्केट में क्या होता है? कार्ड्स. Do you know the meaning of cards? कार्ड्स क्या होता है? जो वेंडर्स होते हैं, स्ट्रीट वेंडर, जो भी जो कहते हैं ना आप, थैली से जो लेके आते हैं उसे कार्ड्स बोलते हैं. ओके. तो कार्ड्स को जो मार्केट जो होती है उसमें बहुत सारे कार्ड्स दिखते हैं आपको. स्क्वायर, वो रेक्टेंगल शेप में होते हैं ना कार्ड्स. तो आपको कार्ड्स दिखते हैं मार्केट में और लोग दिखते हैं. ठीक है. सब दिखते हैं लेकिन वो मिक्स हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. हम इतना पता नहीं लगा पाते उसमें. बट जो बलून मैन होता है वो अपने शाइनिंग बलून्स के साथ होता है, तो हम उन्हें दूर से ही पहचान लेते हैं. ठीक है. एंड सम आर बिग एंड सम आर स्मॉल. सो जो बलून मैन जो बलून्स लाता है कुछ छोटे होते हैं, कुछ बड़े होते हैं. एंड ऑल टाइड टुगेदर विद अ स्ट्रिंग. टाइड मीन्स बांधना, टुगेदर एक साथ, स्ट्रिंग. थ्रेड, अ थिन थ्रेड. ओके. अ थिन थ्रेड. थिन थ्रेड एक पतला सा थ्रेड होता है जिसके जरिए बलून्स को बांधा जाता है. ठीक है. तो सबको एक साथ उस स्ट्रिंग से सबको क्या किया जाता है? टाई किया जाता है. एंड इफ देयर इज अ विंड एट ऑल. अब विंड चलती है. ठीक है. विंड मीन्स हवा चलती है जब, ओके, जब हवा चलती है दे टग एंड टग लाइक एनीथिंग. टग मीन्स पुल हार्ड. ओके, क्या होता है जब हवा चलती है तो बलून्स एक दूसरे को अपने आप को पुल करते हैं, ठीक है, वहां से निकलने की कोशिश करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ विंड. ठीक है, हवा चलती है तो क्या होता है बलून्स हिलने लगते हैं और वो अपने आप को निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है, सम डे परहैप्स विल लेट देम गो. परहैप्स मीन्स मे बी. परहैप्स मीन्स मे बी, शायद, कभी, शायद. परहैप्स मीन्स शायद किसी दिन वह उन्हें जाने देगा बलून्स को. ठीक है, एंड वी शैल सी देम सेलिंग हाई. और सेलिंग मीन्स सेलिंग हाई मीन्स ऊंचाई पर चले जाना. ठीक है, सेल करना. तो क्या होगा जब बलून मैन, किसी दिन ऐसा होगा शायद कि बलून मैन जो है बलून्स को छोड़ देगा. ठीक है, और जब बलून्स को जब छोड़ देगा तो हम कहाँ देख सकते हैं, आसमान में, स्काई में सेल करते हुए देख सकते हैं. बहुत ही ऊंचाई में, हाई मीन्स ऊंचाई में सेल करते हुए देख सकते हैं. एंड स्टैंड एंड वॉच देम फ्रॉम बिलो. और नीचे से हम उन्हें देख सकते हैं कि वह ऊंचाई पर सेल कर रहे हैं. दे वुड लुक प्रिटी इन द स्काई. और स्काई में भी बलून्स क्या लगेंगे, प्रिटी ही लगेंगे बिकॉज बलून्स आर ऑलवेज प्रिटी. सो meanings and question answers of this chapter. Okay, first of all you have to write here date. Okay, unit 5, chapter name the balloon man. Alright, now we will do the hard words. Okay, hard words and word meanings today we will do together. So first of all write down new words. I know all the children are sitting with their notebooks. All right, yes, I know. First one is bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. A number of things, a number of things of the same type. A number of things of the same type. एक ही टाइप का कोई भी चीज का होना. ओके, नंबर्स में लाइक 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so on. Second is market square. Market square. M-A-R-K-E-T, market square. The meaning of market square is an open area. An open area, A-R-E-A, area where the market stays. जहाँ पर एक खुली जगह जहाँ पर की मार्केट होती है. ठीक है. थर्ड, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny means bright sunlight. Sunny means bright sunlight. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright sunlight. Bright sunlight. Now next is tug. T-U-G, tug. Tug means pull hard. Pull hard. Okay. Now the next is perhaps. Perhaps means maybe. Maybe. Perhaps means maybe. Yes. Now next is sixth one, string. Six is string. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. String means a thin thread. A thin thread. together. So the first one is bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. Repeat after me. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. Yes, a number of things of the same type. Next, market square. An open area where the market stays. An open area where the market stays. Next, sunny. Sunny means bright. Repeat, S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. B-R-I-G-S-T, bright. S-U-N, sun. L-I-G-S-T, light, sunlight. Now next is tug. T-U-G, tug. Repeat, T-U-G, tug. Pull hard. Repeat, pull hard. Next is perhaps. P-E-R-H-A-P-S. Perhaps. The meaning of perhaps is maybe. Maybe. Next and last is string. S-T-R-I-N-G. String. The meaning of string is a thin thread. A thin thread. Very nice. So beta, what you have to do? You have to learn the spelling of the words given here. Alright, like bunch, market square, sunny, tug, perhaps, string. Okay, and you have to learn the meanings as well. Alright. Yes, now let us do the question answers. The first question is, where does the balloon man stand? Question 1. First write down question answer. Question answer. Question number 1 is, where does the balloon man stand? Where? Better write with me. Where? W-H-E-R-E, where? D-O-E-S, does. The, T-H-E, the. Where does the balloon, B-A-N-N-O-N, balloon man stand? S-T-A-N-D, stand. Where does the balloon man stand? The balloon man, answer, tell me. Where does the balloon man stand? You will tell me. We have read the poem. Now you will tell me the answer. Where does the balloon man stand? Balloon man कहाँ पर खड़ा होता है?
Market square.
Very nice. Yes. The balloon, B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon man, M-A-N, man, stood, S-T-O-O-D, stood in the yes, market square. The balloon man stood in the market square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. The balloon man stood in the market square. Repeat after me. The balloon man stood in the market square. Now the second question is, what happens? Question number 2. What happens? W-H-A-T, what happens? H-A-P-P-E-N-S, what happens to the balloons, BALLOONS balloons, when what happens to the balloons when there is a wind? THERE, there is a wind. Tell me, what happens to the balloons when there is a wind? क्या होता है balloons के साथ जब wind चलती है, जब हवा चलती है?
The balloons start tugging.
Yes, very nice. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? The balloons, BALLOONS, the balloons start, START, start tugging, TUGGING, tugging. Tugging means pulling hard. Okay, tugging. The balloons start tugging when there is a wind. When there is a wind. When there is a wind. Very good. Now you all will repeat with me. The balloons start tugging when there is a wind. Okay. So beta, if you have not written these answers, kindly pause the video, write them, then only shift to next question. Okay. So we can revise again. Where does the balloon man stand? The balloon man stood in the market square. Market square means an open area where the market stays. कोई भी एक open area जहाँ पर की market लगती है. ठीक है. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? जब wind चलती है तो balloon के साथ क्या होता है? The balloons start tugging when there is a wind. balloon क्या करना start करते हैं? अपने आप को pull करना, बहुत तेजी से pull करना start कर देते हैं. Okay? The balloon man stood in the market square. Where does the balloon man stood? The balloon man stood in the market square. Repeat after me. The balloon man stood in the market square. Next, what happens to the balloons when there is a wind? The balloons start tugging. The balloons start tugging when there is a wind. Very nice. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, what does 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 the child, what does the child like to see the balloon man do? What does the child like to see the balloon man do? Child क्या पसंद करता है, क्या देखना पसंद करता है कि balloon man क्या करे? What does the child like to see? क्या देखना पसंद करता है child? The balloon man do कि balloon man क्या करे? balloon man को क्या करते हुए देखना पसंद करता है child?
Let the balloons go sailing high in the sky.
Very nice. Answer is the balloon man, sorry, the child, CHILD, child would, WOULD, would like the balloon man to let the balloons go sailing high in the sky. तो बच्चा जो है क्या देखना पसंद करता है कि बलून मैन क्या करे? बच्चा चाहता है कि बलून मैन जो है बलून्स को छोड़ दे और बलून्स को वह देखना चाहता है कि वो सेल करे स्काई में. स्काई मीन्स आसमान में बहुत ऊंचाई पर बलून्स सेल करें. ओके, नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ हाई कैन बलून फ्लाई? हाउ high, H-I-G-H, high can balloons, B-A-L-L-O-N-S, balloons fly? The balloons, B-A-L-L-O-N-S, the balloons can fly up to 20, or you can write the spelling also, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20 feet high, H-I-G-H, high. Feet is the plural of foot. As I have explained you in the chapter the gender, feet is the plural of foot. Okay, and 1 foot is equal to 30.48 centimeters. Nowadays you are learning about meters, centimeters, isn't it? So 30.48 centimeters is equal to 1 foot. Okay, and here it is given 20 feet. Plural of foot is feet. More than 1, 20 is more than 1, so we are writing here feet. Okay, कितनी ऊंचाई तक जा सकते हैं बलून? 20 feet high जा सकते हैं. All right, children, I am giving you an activity that you will do in your notebook. What you have to do? You have to cut the balloons of various shapes and sizes, and thereafter you will paste those balloons in your notebook in a single page. Okay, you have to paste a bunch of balloon. Okay, at least 6 balloons you have to paste of different shapes and sizes. How you will do that? From where you will cut the balloons? From your old newspapers or old colorful papers. Okay, and like this you have to paste in your notebook, and string you will draw by yourself with a marker, black marker. All right, children, I am giving you an activity today. Okay, look at here. Like this you have to cut the balloons, okay, of different shapes and sizes from the old newspapers or from your old colorful papers. Okay, used colorful papers, you have to cut the balloons of different shapes and sizes. Okay, and then you will paste it in your notebook. Okay, where you will paste? In your notebook. All right, in a single page you have to paste this. Thereafter you will write at last. Okay, after pasting the balloons and making the string with black marker, you will write this: my favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite color is whatever the favorite color is. Okay, you will write like this: my favorite color is, like my favorite color is pink, I'll write my favorite color is pink. Okay, and before pasting the balloons you will write in a very beautiful handwriting: unit 5, the balloon man, like this. First you will write the date, unit 5, the balloon man. In this blank area you will paste the balloons. Okay, cutout of balloons. Okay, from where? From your old newspaper or used colorful papers. Thereafter, at last, you will write, my favorite color is this. Okay, my favorite color is pink, my favorite color is purple, like this. Okay, thank you for listening me patiently. That's all for today. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.